Our buddy BJ Novak from The Office has created a restaurant called Chain. And what Chain does is they get chefs to reproduce menu items like the Taco Bell Crunch Wrap or whatever. But they also do some crazy merch. It's kind of fun. The latest thing they came up with, it's funny, you can't buy all the stuff they sell. They sell things one at a time, like merch drop. Like, come on, man. But Pizza Hut has these lamps in their restaurants, these stained glass lamps, and they've created bucket hats that look like them that are kind of funny. But if you go to this Eat It Chain website, all you see is this one item. And if you go into it to buy it, it's $35. They're sold out now, but you can back order. But it's reversible. The outside looks like a lamp, and the inside is just a red hat with the Pizza Hut logo. It's pretty cool. I mean, I dig Pizza Hut, I guess, but this is Pizza Hut by Chain, so it's different. So I guess they're also doing menu stuff, but I can't find anything about any menu item they have at the restaurant. Here's some other merch things they have on here, but anything you click on, you have to give them your phone number to get an access code, I guess, when they drop it, because there's no way to get to it. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Oh, here's Chain's Instagram. They're bringing back a Friendly's restaurant. You know, Friendly's is only an East Coast thing, but they're building something in LA for that. But it's all, you know, like Grimace. They use these crazy big red shoes from Mischief, MSCHF or something like that. Wendy's and Arby's collab. Like, what's up with that? Anyway, it's very interesting, but I don't know. It's funny how people let them, like Taco Bell's embracing this instead of saying, you know, calling foul. So I think it's kind of funny. So anyway, Chain, BJ Novak. That's all I have about that. Get you a Pizza Hut if you want one.